So this is my plan for fixing it. Professional DIY tub and tile repair kit. It's white. I'm hoping it blends it enough that it doesn't show as much. Just got some painter's tape, some paper toweling. Gonna clean the area around it. Let's see what happens. So in the kit, we have a couple little sanding tools, an applicator, and part A and part B, a mixing bowl. I think these are just rubber gloves that they recommend that you wear. Let's see if I'm right. Yep, there's fingers on them. Instructions, card, and looks like a mixing stick. And then a toothpick. I'm guessing this would be to maybe knock any air bubbles out of it. I guess we'll find out. Well, the first thing I'm going to do, well, I should say I did already. I'm going to tape off the spot that's damaged and chipped, just to keep a cleaner job. It doesn't say so in the instructions, but what the heck. Okay. Gonna open up part A. Well, this is part B actually. Gonna mix a little bit of part B into the tray. Clean that off so I don't mix it into the other tub. And I'm going to take an equal part of this. Close them up so they don't dry out. Hopefully I never have to use them again. Gonna mix them up good. Yeah, I didn't wear the gloves. I'm a rebel. All right. All right, so it's applied. I'm gonna let it sit 24 hours. Firm up a little bit. I might have to do it twice because it was a deep gouge. But let's see what happens. So far, so good. I decided to do one extra step before I left, and that was just to take the tape off and get some of the excess material off of it. It looks much better than it did. I mean, obviously it's not perfect, but I'm not done with it yet. I'm going to let it dry 24 hours, maybe put one more coat on. That was the finished product. It's not perfect, but I don't want to be blending and doing everything like that. It's definitely a lot better than it was. Hope you enjoyed.